GoPro here, so I'm going to do a little video recording tonight, and I've got a project in mind that I was kicking around for the last few days. We've got the mini boat that was finished a few weeks back, and then I got to thinking that some decals on here would look really cool. I've got some leftover vinyl from when I did the drag knife cutter on the CNC, so I think I'm going to put this back on here, work up a couple designs, and put these on the mini boat. Just kind of playing around here a little bit because these things can just come right off. So we've got our decal cut there. Let's peel that off and put that on this corner and see how that looks. And that's that flash decal. That looks kind of cool. Super easy to do, and that vinyl cutter works really well. There is a video on building that for this old CNC. So that's really kind of cool. I think I might do another one of those and put that on the other side, and then play around with something for the dash, for the sides of that windshield. And we'll cut out the second one here for the other side. So we've got those little symbols, those flash symbols on both sides. That guy there. And then this one on the other side. They're pretty close as far as where they're placed. One nice thing about this boat design is you can't see them both at the same time, so you can't tell if they're just a little bit off. But that's really cool. Very clean cuts. Fun, quick little project tonight. Thanks very much for taking a look.